So now on, it's turn to draw the second drawing from our PDF file drawing x this file, as you can see. So I already put the document, the sample of document here. As you can see, I draw the first object from here, and I want to draw it the second one. So that's why now I don't want to put another document and put it this stuff to again. Just I want to draw it to another side. We finished with this one. If you want to delete it, delete it. Just I want to save it. After moving, I will move a little bit higher. Yeah. So we will see this document. As you can see, it's a little bit easy to draw. So, but there is something to think. I will show how to do it. So first of all, let's pay attention to drawing. If you want to see like this, there's a one dimension we need to, how can I say, find, because there is no one necessary dimension, but without this we cannot draw this file. So as you can see, there is no size of this line, so the distance between the center of this circle and then until this circle. So if there is like another big circle, like as you can see, it will be big circle, there is no radius of this one. So if there is no this kind of stuff, we cannot draw it. But I will show you one trick how to find the dimension of this line, maybe like a radius of like big circle, imaginary big circle. So let's start how to do it. But in this case, I'm not sure like we will find like exact the dimension of this line, so we will try to find it. First of all, we will build a line. What kind of line? As you can see, the distance between this center mark and this center mark is like 70 millimeters. Let's draw 70 millimeters, like vertical line, 70 millimeters, 70 millimeters, done. And then we will put it the center of this center mark. We will use move tool. Yeah, as you can see, it's here. Yeah, and then as you can see, the size of this detail, it's little bit bigger than the real real size. So that's why we need to change the scale of this like PDF file, this sample. In this case, I want to select this file with these lines, and then I need to press it like second, double click, sorry, yeah, double click. As you can see, this is properties of this like PDF underlay. Just I want to put it to left side, so I need to change the scale of this file, maybe like 35. Done. Let's check it out again using move tool. Yeah, as you can see, it's almost a little bit smaller, so let's choose again. Maybe we will put like 36. Done. Yeah, 36 is big, so let's put it like 35. Done. From now on, this is like the last action to find the real size. As you can see, it's quite similar. The 770 millimeter. We can find the real dimension of this line. How? I will show you now. Just choosing the tool line, you can close the properties menu like this, and then the start of this line, from this point I will go to this point. As you can see, it shows the dimension like 42 point something something. So in this case, like, I want to decide this the destination between distance between between these 2 points from here until here. It will be like 42 millimeters. Let's imagine like this, so it will be easy to draw our detail. So let's start it. We can delete this line if you want. So as you can see, the smaller radius here, the smaller circle is with radius like 6 millimeters. The bigger one is like diameter 24 millimeters. Let's open the document. Yeah, 24 millimeters. Yeah, let's build it. The smaller one is 6 millimeters. The bigger one is with diameter like 24, so radius will be 12. So let's put center mark. I choose a tool with commanding in command line, as we mentioned. So let's move, I think, the second circle. This circle is also same with this upper one, so I just copy it, choosing all necessary stuff. I want to choose copy. Need to go down. If you use like auto mode, when you copy it, it will be like ideal moving. As you can see, I cannot move it to another side, so I need to put a distance like 70 millimeters. Done. The distance is 70 millimeters. So I will build like bigger circle to construct this central line. How? 42 millimeters. As you can see, it's done. And then I will change the type of line, style of line, to center. Then, so it's time to build this part of our detail. What I will do is, using line tool again, I will start building line. I will turn off the mode Alt. I need to go down, and then here I think the angle of this line will be 30 millimeters. Yeah, the length of this line will be 42 millimeters. Done. And then I will use another line to construction. So in this case, the angle will be like 70 millimeters. Length is like 42 millimeters. 70 degrees. As you can see, here is like 30 degrees. Here is like 40 degrees. We did correct, I think. So I can just build circles here. This point, the bigger one is like 10 millimeters. Smaller is like 4 millimeters. Let's do it. 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters. The bigger ones 10 millimeters. And then, no, we don't need the line circle here, so we should increase this line a little bit. So angle is, we need to increase it. this one also. So you can see the center of this point is not doesn't change it. We will choose these both lines. Now I think they're little bit big, so let's decrease it. This. Oh, we don't need to decrease it. We need to decrease this one. We will decrease like this. Done. And then I will select these two lines. I will choose the style of these lines, and then I will just select this part, and then using mirror tool I will copy them to left side of our detail, because our detail is like symmetric detail. So done. Oh, sorry, I need to press like extra enter button. Yeah, as you can see, it's done. So we need to build this line. We will build like this, just using circle. We can build this one. Done. For bigger ones, no, let's first like trim unnecessary lines from this part. Yeah, this, and then we will build another like circles. Yeah, done. We will use trim tool again. We don't need these lines, of course. We need to get rid of like all unnecessary lines. Yeah. So now it's time to connect these two parts. As you can see, here is the radius is like 28 millimeters. I think we can check. No, yeah, here's 28 millimeters. So we can use fillet tool, I think, here. No, sorry, I need to trim this part. Trim tool, using fillet tool, radius, the radius 28 millimeters. If I choose this part, we can do like this, but we are losing this part of our detail. So here is like, I want to teach you another one hint. Using circle, 2-point circle, I will start building circle from here, and then now it asks like diameter of our circle. So in this case diameter will be, I think, 56, because radius is like 28. Done. I thought it will be connected very smoothly. No, it wasn't a good idea. Let's use like only like fillet tool. We will do like this. Yeah. For this side we will build another circle with like 52 millimeters circle, and using filler tool, and then we can trim extra lines like this. Done. This part is also done. So here what we need to do is we will just build two lines from this part of our detail, like vertical line, ideal vertical line until here, until connection of these two lines. And then if you want to copy it. I will just use mirror tool again. Yeah, done. I want to connect these center marks. Yeah, this. And then I will use like filler tool again. The radius is 6. I will use this kind of, yeah, as you can see we done the mission. In this part what can you do is you can just choose this part or this part, and using mirror tool you can just copy it. Yeah, done. Here we need to turn this part. Yeah, here is also trimming this part, it's not necessary. And I want to choose this all center mark, so I need to use trim tool. This, yeah, and I want to choose all these center mark lines, and then I want to change to yellow color because it will be easy to read, to see our drawing like this. And then as you mentioned, here is the extra line to delete. Yeah, if we compare our drawing from this sample, they are similar, but one difference is we need to put dimensions. I hope you all can do it perfectly. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's see, let us see us like another lessons.